Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic Trails. This is Sandhya. Today I am going to teach you how to do Pattchitra painting of Jaganathji of Odisha. This is the famous Indian folk art. Pattchitra is general term for traditional cloth-based scroll painting, which is based in Odisha and West Bengal and some parts of Bangladesh. It's a very easy painting today. I'm going to teach you. Let's get started. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Material here I have taken is fine art canvas 8 by 10 size, and I have just drawn a freehand sketch of Jaganathji. By using compass, you can make a round and you can create a design. For background today, I am going to take a very bright scheme color, that is red. Crimson red I have applied all over the background. After finishing the background, now I am going to change the color. Here I am changing the color to burnt sienna now. I have given the flower type of design here. In between two petals, there is a space like triangle type of shape. There I am giving burnt sienna, or you can go for dark brown color, or you can go for light brown, but make sure it looks good when it is dark color. Okay, same all over the round. I am completing the same color. After finishing the burnt sienna color, I am going to change the color now. Next color will be the red. Again red I am taking crimson red, or you can take Indian red as well. Here I am using colors, acrylic colors. This is I am doing on canvas. If you want, you can do it on fabric as well. After finishing the red color, now moving on to the next color. Next color I have taken here is same red color for the face of Jagannathji, where I am filling the color. Only few colors here I am using: red, black, brown and white. Here I am filling the colors by using round brush, 6 number brush. You take the brush according to the canvas size. After finishing the red color, see I am filling all over the face. Near to the eye I am filling the red color. So now I am taking black color. I am not mixed any color here. Directly the colors I am taking from the bottles. I am not using any mixing color here, and I am not using any palette. Directly taking the color. Not much water needed. Just apply the colors. A plain black I am using here for the forehead. Now after finishing that, just take a 000 or 0 number brush, round brush only, and just give outline by using black color, simple black outline. Same this painting you can do on fabric as well. Use fabric colors. Now I am doing little bit of designs, motif designs, any designs you can do. Just a flower petal design I have done, and just give few half semicircle design I have done in that. After completing, now give the detailing to the eye part. Just take a black color and just finish the outline with black color. Now I am doing the eyes of Jagannathji. Eyeball with plain black color. Now after finishing the eye part, just wherever I have left the white color, just filling the outline by using same black color. Hair part, some designs I am doing like semicircle, half semicircle, or lines, triangle, teardrop, any shapes you can give, and any sketch you can do there. Just give few lines. Here I am doing, it's for hairs. After finishing that, just giving another outline for the circle with the help of round brush 000. Now with the same black color, okay, complete this outline all over the circle. After giving the outline to all the circles, some places I have filled with black color only, and some places I have completed with the red color. After completing the black and red, now I am doing the next part. I have taken white color and just given 1 2 lines to the eyebrows and some highlights to the lip part with the help of white color. It looks contrast and it looks very beautiful. This is how it looks after completing the full painting. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please do like and share it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me and share it with your friends and family. If you like my today's video, hit a like button. Any comments, please leave in the comment section below. I would love to answer it. Bye.